Why 4,000 hours? Well, YouTube is a platform that pays creators in different ways as long as they keep their users in the app for a long period of time. But why 4,000 hours? I'll try to explain the reason behind it in 3 different ways. First, why 4,000 hours? Second, the impact of it on you and the YouTube community. Third, how to trick the system and get it fast. So I advise you to follow along because each steps have a very key role. First, why 4,000 hours? If you're a small channel like me, 4,000 watch hour might seem hard. Well, it's actually hard. Let me break it down for you. 4,000 hours in days is 166.66666 days. That's also 240 minutes. So a group of people needs to spend that time on your video. But don't be scared. A lot of YouTubers have done it, so it's possible. The reason for 4,000 hours is YouTube is just making sure that you are capable of consistently creating content that people actually want to watch. So basically, you just got to prove to YouTube that you're here for the long run. It's also a way YouTube use to weed out the spammers and lazy creators. Hopefully not you. Now the second step, impact of 4,000 watch hour on you and YouTube. So let's say you finally hit it after years. Well, it comes with some benefits apart from monetization. The algorithm's love for you will rise once you hit it. The algorithm will start to notice you more. Like I said, YouTube wants views, engagement, and watch hour. So hitting the milestone will lead to visibility in recommendation, the place where Mr. Beast stays all the time, search results, and so many more. And also, 4,000 watch hour is a great achievement. It tells the world and potential sponsors, please sponsor me, that you have a legit audience, not bots. Now, the final step. Strategies to achieve 4,000 watch hour quickly. Okay. So you want it fast. Okay. Let me tell you how with one video. You first create a 1 hour video. You get 4,000 plus views and an average of 1 hour watch time. Then you're set for life. I'm sure nobody have amount of 4,000 people in their family tree. So let's talk more reasonable. 4,000 hour with 5 minutes video. Side note, 5 minutes video are not the best option. YouTube mostly push 10 minutes video. Okay, not 5 minutes video. On an estimate of 50,000 views in a year. Let's try 10 minutes video. This is where the money is. According to Google, let's try 40 video. Each video needs to be watched for a total of 100 hours. Views count. If each view average 10 minutes, each views needs 100 views. In the process of making this video, that might be impossible. But let's not forget the first topic. Why 4,000 hours? YouTube wants us to be things. If we continue to upload regularly, it will get better and the views will automatically come there. So just enjoy the process and have fun doing, and success will come. The ending. In summary, 4,000 watch hour will take time, a little bit of grace, luck will be needed, and you really have to be consistent. Upload more quality videos. Lastly, don't try to duplicate people's road to success. Create your own, and understand the system. Thanks for watching. And also on the journey, I'm also on the journey to 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. I will appreciate if you subscribe and watch all my videos. You can even record yourself doing it and post it. That might get views. Subscribe.